So next, we're gonna do this sand art. These are always so pretty, hey? I've never done one, so I'm very excited. Let's give it a try. Sand art, create your own. I'm doing a lot of create your own these days. It is by Colorday, DIY, Room Decor, and then the content consists of 5 bags of colored sand, 1 funnel, 1 design tool, 1 plastic bottle with cap, ages 5 and up, DIY thinking, so this is obviously going to be very creative task for your kid to do. So let's get started. Cool, we've got some green sand right there. Let's just do this. We'll keep that one side because I'm pretty sure we're going to need that. And then some orange, yellow, red, a very beautiful blue. I don't know, it's like a funnel. I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is either. And then obviously we've got the container. Okay, so let's see. Okay, pour the sand into the funnel and watch it fill your sand bottle. Use the design stick to push on the sand color down into another. Okay, so that is what this is going to do. Okay, show off your designs. Have fun showing off these designs to friends and family. Okay, well, pretty straightforward. So I think you just like pour in the sand the way you want to. So let's do that. Yeah, I think we can put those one side. Still, I don't know. Oh, this is the cap. Okay, cool. So this is the cap that goes on top of this. Okay, cool. I think we will start with my favorite color, which is green. I hope I've got some scissors here. Yes, I do. Cool. That's what I'm talking about. You need to make sure it's filled up all the way. And this is our end result. I think this is really cool. I think I'm gonna get another one, because I've got like star shapes, heart shapes, diamond shapes. I'm gonna do more. So what do you guys think? I think this was awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching. Wish me luck with cleaning up all of this. Until my next video. Cheers guys.